Want to know how to check if a number is a doc number in Java? So, a doc number is a number that contains at least one zero in it, but it should not start with zero. So in this video, I'm just going to explain you how doc numbers work and how you can just simply create a program where it checks whether it is a doc number or not. So, for example, 1023 and 805 are doc numbers, but 0123 is not. Why? Because 1023 contains 0, but it was not starting with a 0 itself. But 083 was started with a 0, so it is invalid. So in our code, the logic is simple. We convert the number into string first. So right here you can see we have defined 3210 as our integer, and then we have converted it into string. And now first, the string should not start with 0, and second, it should contain at least one 0 elsewhere. If both conditions are satisfied, we simply print that it's a doc number, otherwise it's not. This problem is unique because it combines number properties with string checking and teaches you how to switch between numeric and string operations in Java. It's a very fun and basic way to practice digit manipulation. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.